Hello, hello! Welcome to a great grand glorious day of pre-calculus. Today my tiny human is practicing his presentation skills for second grade. Apparently they have to teach the teacher something. So he's going to practice teaching you guys the thing that he's going to practice teaching his teacher. So
this is how to make a squiggle.
Alright, so how do you make a squiggle?
So you first start by starting somewhere, then you start squiggling places.
Yeah. That one's tight. Whee!
Whee!
Alright.
And when you want to be done, you just bring it all the way back around, back to the start.
Okay. And then what did I usually make you do with the squiggle?
And then you also color it in after you make it.
I hope. No.
Hmm.
Alright. So that's a cute squiggle. My squiggles, if I may, usually look more something like... And you can put another one up next to that one.
Putting squiggles inside squiggles can make a maze.
It can. So then we can draw another bigger squiggle around these two squiggles.
Mom.
Yes?
I have an idea.
Oh, you do?
Yes,
Oh,
make a maze of squiggle.
We'll do that later. Alright, there you go. Now you guys know how to make a squiggle. Happy squiggling!